Hey guys, it's Richard from Grafting Dragon Fruits, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repot a dragon fruit cutting that has already been rooting. So this one has been rooting for about 2 months now, and as you can see, there's already growth happening here. So I know it's about time to go ahead and put it into a bigger pot. Another sign that told me that I needed to put it into a bigger pot was because the soil started to get so dry so quickly. I used to have to water only every 2 to 3 days, and now I'm checking it and I have to water every day to a day and a half. So to help it grow more, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into a bigger pot. For demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna be putting this pot to show you guys how to repot it. But you guys, once they're at this rate and this size and they already have full roots growing finely, you can put it into a bigger pot like this, or you can put it into your soil in your ground. So it depends on you, but I'm gonna show you how I would repot it once I do it. So these are the things you're gonna need. Have some gloves because these cactuses have spikes on them, so you don't want to hurt yourself, and the way I do it, you're gonna have to kind of really play with it to get it to come out. And so I have my tablet here, some high quality soil, so I'm gonna scoop some of this and go ahead and start. So what I like to do is I'm gonna fill the base first with about maybe 4 inches of soil. So that looks about 4 inches to me. What I'm gonna do now is take this in here, line it up, and see how far is it from the top. So it's a little low. I'm gonna put a little bit more in there just to rise it up a bit. So I would say for this 3-gallon pot, you probably need 5 to 6 inches or 4 to 5 inches in rise. I'm gonna put it in there. Okay. So I'm happy with the position that it's in. You're gonna leave it in here still. Go ahead and take your tablet and start scooping more soil. And now you're just gonna fill in the gaps. And it's okay if you guys get some soil in there because you're gonna be pouring it all back in anyways. You just wanna make the outline for it. So when you do put it in there, there's this little perfect circle that you're gonna be putting it in. As you can see, I'm just filling in all the gaps as best as I can. Don't worry about the mess. That's why I have my table, because I'm going to be collecting all of that and putting it right back in. Okay, so you're going to have something like this and just even everything out. Okay, so now this is when you're going to push it down slightly, kind of turn it, and then take it out. Now you have a perfect little hole that fits this pot perfectly. So this is where your glove is going to come in handy. And as you can see, this is Trisha. Trisha is a red flesh variety, and Trisha tends to have very spiky spines. So I'm going to take my glove. What I'm going to do is just put it right over the top like this. Turn it right over. Put all the soil on top. Give it a couple of squeezes, a couple of smacks, and this is what you're going to happen. Ta-da! You see how the roots are starting to grow so much, they're starting to bound together? This is a good sign that they're ready to be transported into a different pot, a bigger one. So you just hold it on the bottom lightly, insert it into your little hole, and that's it. So from here, you just top it off with some more soil. Level out your soil. And that's it. Now you're just gonna go ahead and water this. Make sure you're gonna water it until you see a little bit of water drain out, and that's more than enough. And it's ready to go right out into the direct sun. So that's how you repot cuttings that's already been rooted into a new pot. So if you guys enjoy watching this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys have any comments about repotting the cuttings, go ahead and leave in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And if you guys want to see more grafting and dragon fruit videos of mine, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that way you guys won't miss a single thing. Have a wonderful day now. Bye guys.